Hi everyone, it's Artis from Main Carbon Construction Limited. So today we're going to review one of my twist nail guns. So this is called Montana brand. All the specs are here when it zooms in, so you can see all the specs. So in short, it comes with this carry case. With instructions, with manual, etc. So this is the full name of the tool. It's quite long, that's why I didn't try to say all, because I would have got something wrong. Comes with a charger, 2 batteries. These are the nails. They're basically collated twist nails. You can get a pass load version of this, but I have this and it's been working a treat for me personally. As with every gas nail gun, you do have to service it because of obviously piston rings, etc. So once a year you have to service it if you use it a lot. As I don't use it that much, I service it once every 2 years and it works for me. Personally, haven't had any trouble with it myself. Why I bought it, you'll probably ask. Well, that does save a lot of time when you need to do a lot of joist hangers. So that's what it's for basically. Straps, joist hangers, all that sort of stuff you can do a lot quicker. When I say a lot, so you save days, especially like on a job like this where we're gonna have probably about near 100 joist hangers throughout. Imagine nailing all these in by hand. That is not fun, trust me, and it just saves you money. So I bought this gun myself a long time ago, I must say, and used ever since. Must have been 2018, maybe even 17. I bought this gun when I did my own loft conversion. So I had this ever since, and I've been using it on the jobs as and when I need. Obviously quite often it's more sort of, you know, roofs, etc. Even on roofs I have used it, so where you got your hangers to fit, etc. So, or spiking in nails into the wall plates, L brackets, straps, so anything like that. It just works a treat. So in short, it takes up to 40mm long nails. In here you use it basically the same as you would use your normal nail gun. As it runs out, it will stop firing, so you need to pull on this nib here, pull back, and that's how you disengage it. You can pull the nails out like so. Also refill, pull it fully onto you, that engage it. Also, yeah, it comes with these as standard, but I use my own, obviously, ear defenders, but I would highly recommend. And I would also highly recommend using the goggles, because nails do tend to go funny sometimes, and that means it could end up in your eye. So yeah, be careful. Or, you know, something with any nail gun, there could be something potentially flying into your face. So yeah, do use goggles of some kind to protect your eyes. I'll quickly demonstrate you the actual nail gun, how it works. Few more words about nail gun itself. So downside, obviously, that it's been gas operated, so when it's cold it does get temperamental, as with all gas. The sort of semi solution is getting the cold weather gas, but that's, again, even when it drops below 0, then that doesn't really help that much. So hence why I personally have switched to battery powered nail guns. You sort of limited that problem. So only thing is your battery discharge is quicker and cold, but you can live with that. It's not going to misfire. With these gas powered ones, they do misfire, and when they start misfiring, that means they need cleaning or servicing when that happens a lot. So that's how you can say that your nail gun needs to be serviced. So let's just give it a, let me show you. So yeah, I usually grab an offcut, place where you want your timber to sit. Put it in and fire. So this end here goes into the hole. So once you've done one side, check the other side. Are you happy with it? Again, place, fire. So basically it's that simple. Tip goes into there, press, fire, press, fire. So simple as that, you can get your joist hangers fitted. So what I do, usually I have a bit of a block of wood like I did, then I offer it in a position. You might have to, depending on the shapes, you might have to sort of help them a bit, get them in a shape. But yeah, trust me, when you got this much to do, you'll be surprised how much time it saves you. In terms of nails, I personally don't buy Paslode ones, which you can. They are a lot more expensive. I go for Firmhold brand or any other brand. So it's basically, they look the same but just different brand. Paslode has always been expensive and don't waste your money on it, no need. Hence why I got this gun. It was a couple £100 at the time, I think cheaper, if I remember correctly. It wasn't cheap, but it was cheaper and it still performed as well as a Paslode gun, so no problems to report, apart from obviously your maintenance costs, etc. So yeah, I'm sure there's other brands as well. So my recommendation is, if you do a lot of framework with joist hangers, etc., just get one of these guns. It doesn't have to be this brand, but just a gun which will save you a lot of time and equally money. Especially if you do a lot of this, you'll pay for itself very quickly. It was well worth it when I got it for the job I needed it, and I thought I need to share this with you so you know how you can save time, i.e. money, in the long run. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch up with you in our next videos.